Welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to send USDT from Binance to Binance. Open the Binance mobile app and log into your account. Tap the Wallets tab in the bottom right corner. By default, you'll be on the Overview section. Tap Spot at the top to see your available cryptocurrencies. Find USDT and tap on it. On the USDT balance page, tap Withdraw at the bottom. Choose the second option to send USDT to another Binance user. Select your preferred send mode. You can choose email, phone number, or ID. Enter the recipient's Binance account information in the provided section. Next, type the amount of USDT you want to send. Optionally, you can add a note for the recipient. Finally, tap the Send button in the bottom right corner. That's it. You've successfully sent USDT from Binance to another Binance user with no fees. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.